Great morning, everyone!
Good morning.
Ang hina. Good morning, everyone!
Good morning.
Our inducting officer, Director Romel B. Balisang of PRC Region 6, distinguished guests, Rima Calderon from Office of Provincial Assessor representing Governor Arthur Defensor Jr., Vilma Jane Lau representing Mayor Jerry Petrañas, Dr. Eduardo G. Ong, the father of Philippine real estate, fellow officers, honored partners, and their family. I stand before you today with profound gratitude and humility, humbled and honored to serve as your president. To my loving family, thank you for your unwavering support and encouragement. Your sacrifice has brought me to this moment. To our revered past presidents and my mentors, I appreciate the wisdom and guidance you've shared. To our needs, let's unite in achieving ICRB's vision. To our developer partners, thank you for your invaluable support. To our guest speaker and special guests, your inspiring words have energized us. To our visitors, thank you for gracing this occasion. To my fellow officers and board members, I am honored to serve alongside you. Heavenly Father, source of wisdom and strength, I surrender to your will. Grant me discernment, courage, and humility. Bless ICRB, guiding us toward righteousness and excellence for your glory. Valuable lessons from past leaders and my personal experiences have guided my journey to this endeavor. Before the election, I sought guidance through prayer, and I firmly believe that my presence here today is not a mere coincidence, but rather a purposeful calling. As your president, I recognize that leadership is not about authority, but about serving and inspiring others. I pledge to lead by example, walking the talk, and empowering each of you to achieve your full potential. Our board will operate as a cohesive unit, embodying spirit of teamwork, where together, everyone achieves more. During my term, I will focus on the following key objectives. Servant leadership. We will prioritize your needs, listening attentively to your concerns and ideas. Collaborative governance. Our board will foster open communication, transparency, and inclusivity. Smart goals. We will establish concrete, measurable objectives, ensuring accountability and progress. So, here is my PowerPoint wherein, as your 2025 ICRB President, I have my own vision for ICRB. To establish ICRB as the premier real estate authority in Western Visayas, synonymous with excellence, integrity, and innovation, proudly showcasing the beauty and progress of Iloilo City. My mission is empowering stakeholders through, number one, responsible practice, upholding the RESA law, promoting ethical standards, and combating colorum activities. Number two, innovative solutions, leveraging technology for smart, efficient, and transparent real estate transactions. Number three, unity and collaboration, fostering a culture of cooperation among members, government agencies, and community. Number four, iconic landmarks, developing the ICRB building as a symbol of excellence and a hub for real estate innovation. Number five, digital presence, maintaining a user-friendly website for easy access to information, services, and resources. And we have our core values: integrity, upholding honesty, transparency, and accountability. Number 2, it's innovation, embracing cutting-edge technology and best practices. Number 3, collaboration, working together for betterment of the real estate industry. Number 4, excellence, striving for exceptional service and quality standards. Number 5, community, prioritizing the needs and welfare of stakeholders. And they have their own tagline: building trust, enhancing lives one property at a time. Inspired by my unanimous election victory, I strive for excellence, aiming for a perfect 100% score. While perfection may be elusive, I commit to exceeding expectations and achieving outstanding results. I am committed to serving you with dedication, passion, and integrity. Standing in front of you right now, proudly wearing this stunning peacock gown. It's a significance in my dress, my gown, symbolizing beauty, renewal, and new beginnings. As we embark on this exciting journey with ICRB, I am reminded that every fresh start is an opportunity to shine, grow, and thrive. Just as the peacock's vibrant plumage represents radiant beauty, our organization's commitment to excellence and integrity will be the cornerstone of our success. Let us celebrate this new chapter, embracing the promises of a bright future. As a steward of God's grace, I'll flourish where I'm planted, sharing His love, mercy, and wisdom with humility and gratitude. Mga ka-ICRB, are you ready for a new ICRB? Yes? Yes. So, mabuhay ang ICRB, and to God be all the glory. Thank you. Any second? Again, any second?
Yes.
Okay. By the power vested in me as the 2025 President of Iloilo City Realtors Board, I am now called 54th induction and turnover ceremony in order. Thank you.
Thank you, our outgoing President, Joan Ruth Cabansagan, and thank you, Ms. Tika, for your message. Our incoming President,